Autodesk Revit Overview. Revit is a building information modeling BIM software for architects, engineers, contractors, and builders. History: developed by Charles River Software 1997, renamed Revit Technology Corporation 2000, acquired by Autodesk 2000. To key features: 1. 3D building design and modeling. 2. 2D drafting and annotation. 3. Building information database access. 4. 4D BIM capabilities for lifecycle management. 5. Collaboration tools for architects, engineers, and contractors. Benefits: 1. Improved collaboration and communication. 2. Enhanced building design and analysis. 3. Increased accuracy and reduced errors. 4. Streamlined construction and maintenance processes. Industries: 1. Architecture. 2. Engineering, structural, mechanical, electrical, plumbing. 3. Construction. 4. Building management and maintenance. Thanks. Please like and share the video.